Sacred refers to something that is regarded with great respect, reverence, or devotion, often due to its religious, spiritual, or moral significance. It is something considered holy or deserving of honor. Simple meaning sacred equals something that is holy, revered, or respected, often for religious or spiritual reasons. Common uses. Sacred adjective, religious/spiritual. Something that is dedicated to or associated with a deity or religious practice. Example: the temple is considered a sacred place by the local community. Sacred adjective, figurative. Something held in deep respect or reverence, often beyond just religious contexts. Example: the bond between parent and child is often viewed as sacred. Sacred adjective, cultural. Something that holds great significance within a particular culture or society. Example: the sacred traditions of the tribe are passed down through generations. Examples in daily use. The sacred texts of many religions are treated with great respect. The sacred ground of the battlefield was a place of remembrance for fallen soldiers. They considered their friendship to be sacred and never let anything come between them. The wedding ceremony was a sacred event for both families. He believed the forest to be sacred and only visited it on special occasions. Real-life explanation. Sacred is something that is treated with reverence, often because it is connected to spiritual, religious, or cultural significance. It can be a place, object, tradition, or even a relationship that is held in high esteem and considered deserving of respect and protection.